Australia, the land of kangaroos and koalas, is always on the move. It's not just hopping around, it's drifting northwards at an astonishing pace. How astonishing, you ask? Try 7 centimeters every year. That's right, the entire continent is steadily creeping towards the equator. While this might seem slow, it's incredibly fast on a geological timescale. Think of the Earth's history as a vast, slow-motion film. Continents usually move at a snail's pace in this film. Australia, however, is a speed demon, relatively speaking. This movement isn't just an interesting fact, it has profound implications for the continent's geography, ecosystems, and future. Over millions of years, Australia's journey will reshape the planet as we know it. 7 centimeters a year. It might be hard to visualize. Let's put it in a way that's easier to grasp. Your fingernails grow at roughly that same speed. Imagine your fingernails constantly growing, pushing your fingers northward. That's Australia's journey in a nutshell. Each year it inches closer to Southeast Asia, driven by forces deep within our planet. This constant movement, though slow to our eyes, has dramatic consequences over geological time. It's a reminder that our planet is a dynamic, ever-changing system. Even the continents we consider permanent are in a constant state of flux. What's propelling Australia on this epic journey? The answer lies beneath our feet: tectonic plates. These massive slabs of Earth's crust are constantly shifting and grinding against each other, driven by the heat from the planet's core. Australia sits on the Indo-Australian plate, one of the largest and fastest-moving plates on Earth. The collision of this plate with others creates enormous pressure, pushing Australia northward. It's like a gigantic, slow-motion game of continental bumper cars. Imagine these plates as pieces of a giant jigsaw puzzle, constantly rearranging themselves. As they collide and separate, mountains rise, oceans form, and continents drift across the globe. Australia's northward journey is just one act in this never-ending geological drama. Australia's northward drift has a dramatic implication: a future collision with Asia. Millions of years from now, the continent will crash into Southeast Asia, closing the gap that separates them. Imagine the impact. The collision of these massive landmasses will unleash unimaginable forces. New mountain ranges will rise, dwarfing the Himalayas. Volcanoes will erupt with unimaginable fury. The Earth's very crust will buckle and fold under the immense pressure. This collision won't happen overnight, of course. It's a slow-motion event that will unfold over millions of years. But it's a stark reminder that our planet is a dynamic, ever-changing system, and even continents are not immune to its powerful forces. Australia's journey isn't just about the distant future. Its northward drift is already having a profound impact on the continent today. It's reshaping landscapes, influencing weather patterns, and even affecting the accuracy of our GPS systems. As Australia moves north, it compresses the landmass, creating stress points that can trigger earthquakes. The continent's east coast is a prime example, experiencing frequent tremors as the Pacific Plate grinds against the Australian plate. Furthermore, Australia's changing latitude affects its climate. As it moves closer to the equator, the continent experiences warmer temperatures and shifting rainfall patterns. These changes have significant implications for Australia's unique flora and fauna, forcing them to adapt to a changing environment. Austrasia, the future supercontinent. Imagine a world where the continents as we know them have shifted and merged into a single, colossal landmass. The collision of Australia with Asia is just one piece of a larger puzzle. This tectonic dance is part of a grander scheme that has been unfolding for millions of years. The Earth's continents are in constant motion, drifting slowly but surely across the globe. Scientists predict that in the distant future, these wandering landmasses will eventually converge to form a new supercontinent. This future landmass, which has been dubbed Austrasia or Pangaea Proxima, will dramatically reshape the planet as we know it. The formation of such a supercontinent will have profound implications for the Earth's geography, climate, and ecosystems. Australia's role in this future supercontinent is still a topic of much debate among scientists. Some believe that Australia will become a central part of Austrasia, while others argue that it will be relegated to the periphery. Some scientists believe that it will form the heart of Austrasia, becoming a crucial landmass in the new supercontinent structure, while others predict it will be pushed to the periphery, playing a less central role in the new landmass. Regardless of its final position, Australia's journey will play a crucial role in shaping this future landmass. The movement of tectonic plates is a slow but relentless process, and Australia's path will be a key factor in the formation of Austrasia. Imagine a world with one giant landmass surrounded by a single vast ocean. This new supercontinent would create a radically different environment from the one we know today. The climate, ecosystems, and even the course of human evolution would be drastically different on such a planet. The merging of continents would lead to new weather patterns, unique ecosystems, and potentially new challenges and opportunities for life on Earth. It's a tantalizing glimpse into the distant future, a future where Australia's journey will have played a crucial role. The story of Australia's tectonic journey is a fascinating chapter in the Earth's ever-evolving narrative, one that will continue to unfold for millions of years to come. Life on the move: winners and losers. In the ever-changing landscape of Australia, the concept of winners and losers is a constant theme in the natural world. Australia's northward movement has profound implications for its unique biodiversity. This movement is not just a slow drift, it's a journey that reshapes the very fabric of life on the continent. As the continent drifts, its climate changes, forcing plants and animals to adapt or face extinction. The shifting climate brings new challenges and opportunities, altering habitats and ecosystems in unpredictable ways. Some species will thrive in the new conditions while others will struggle to survive. The winners will find new niches and expand their territories, while the losers may dwindle in numbers or disappear entirely. For example, as Australia becomes warmer and drier, desert-adapted species like kangaroos and reptiles may flourish. These animals are well suited to the harsh, arid conditions and may see their populations grow. However, species that rely on cooler, wetter environments, such as tree kangaroos and many rainforest plants, may face shrinking habitats and increased competition. The rainforests, once lush and expansive, may become fragmented, putting immense pressure on the species that call them home. The movement of continents also plays a crucial role in the evolution of new species. This geological dance has been a driving force behind the diversity of life on Earth, creating isolated environments where unique species can evolve. As land masses separate and collide, they create opportunities for isolation and diversification. These processes lead to the emergence of new species, each adapted to their specific environments. Australia's long isolation from other continents has resulted in its unique flora and fauna, with many species found nowhere else on Earth. This isolation has allowed for the development of a rich tapestry of life, showcasing the incredible adaptability and resilience of nature. When continents collide. The collision of continents is not a gentle process, it's a cataclysmic event that unleashes immense forces, reshaping landscapes and triggering natural disasters. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis are just some of the consequences of these titanic clashes. Imagine the energy released when two continents collide. It's like two speeding trains crashing head-on. The impact creates shockwaves that ripple through the Earth's crust, triggering earthquakes that can be felt thousands of miles away. The collision also melts rocks deep within the Earth, creating magma that rises to the surface as volcanic eruptions. These eruptions can blanket vast areas in lava and ash, altering the landscape and impacting the atmosphere. The collision of continents is a stark reminder of the incredible power of nature and the dynamic forces that shape our planet. A world in motion. Our planet is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and reshaping itself. Australia's northward drift is a fascinating example of our planet's constant state of change. This movement is not just a recent phenomenon but has been occurring over millions of years. It's a reminder that the Earth is not static but a dynamic system, with continents constantly on the move. The tectonic plates beneath our feet are in perpetual motion, driven by forces deep within the Earth's mantle. Understanding these movements is crucial for comprehending the Earth's history, present, and future. Geologists and scientists dedicate their lives to studying these shifts, piecing together the puzzle of our planet's past. As we've seen, continental drift has profound implications for everything from climate change and biodiversity to the formation of mountains and the occurrence of earthquakes. These movements can alter weather patterns, create new habitats, and even trigger natural disasters. By studying these processes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of our planet and the forces that have shaped it over millions of years. Every shift, every tremor tells a story of Earth's incredible journey. So, the next time you look at a map, remember that the continents are not fixed. They are part of a grand, ever-changing tapestry, woven by the hands of time and nature. They are on a slow but relentless journey, driven by forces deep within our planet. These forces are responsible for the majestic landscapes we see today and the ones that will emerge in the future. And Australia, the runaway continent, is leading the way. Its journey northward is a testament to the dynamic nature of our world, a reminder that change is the only constant on this ever-evolving planet.